Here we have a 68 plate BMW 330d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras. We also have the LED daytime running headlights, glass black front grills, we have the M Performance kit which includes the glass black front splitter. We have the mineral grey exterior paintwork. We also have the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, and with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the side skirt extensions along the bottom, colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top. We also have the glass black rear spoiler as well just there. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the rear reversing camera as well. We also have the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhaust. Taking a look at the boot just inside of here, you find that we have quite a decent amount of space. We also have the storage net on the left hand side as well. A little handle just underneath here and pull that closed. Back around to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior. Coming to the back first, you find we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre, we have the fixed ISO points as well, with the vents down there for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front again, we have the full leather interior. Both the front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the electric mirrors and electric windows. We have the auto lights just down there, the auto wipers as well. We have a multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters on either side. Taking a seat aside, you find we have the speed limiter and the cruise control, high beam assist as well just on there. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find we'll be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre. If that screen is flickering, that's just the camera. It's not like that in reality, so nothing to worry about. So if we put the car into reverse, you find we have the rear reversing camera along with the parking sensors as well. We also have the media, where you find that we have the DAB radio. We also have the USB, Bluetooth audio and the CD player, as well as all these other options as well. The phone connectivity just there. If we go and click onto the drive modes, we have the Eco Pro. We also have Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus as well. Further down you find we have the climate control, heated seats on either side, ice cold air conditioning as well, all working just as it should do. We also have the cup holders and the 12-volt connectivity inside of there, the drive mode buttons, we have the parking sensors, we also have the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, we have the manual handbrake as well, nice little leather armrest which can be opened up for more storage or extended as well. Inside of here you find we have the USB port. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this 2018 68 plate BMW 330d M Sport XDRIVE Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not as fast, I want to keep it in a straight line, it's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. We do have a multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift on the rear for stick into manual mode, and you do also get your cruise control speed ups on the left hand side. On the indicator start, you do have your auto high beam assist there as well. We have your indicator Harman speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible, very good quality speakers as they are the premium brand. We have your electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. You also have your front and rear parking sensors and a rear reversing camera. We have your dual zone climate control with ice cold aircon, 2 heated front seats, perfect for those cold winter mornings. Now speaking about seats, you get the extended 5-spot, they are the full Dakota leather, extremely comfortable. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 4 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now we have your brushed metal trim and your gloss back trim throughout the interior of this vehicle, making it a very nice environment to be in. So right now I'll come up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right and then perform a mid-stop, pop straight into reverse and just show the brake to work exactly how you'd expect them to. And you'll see it pop up on the centre screen when I pop it into reverse and the rear reversing camera. So pulling in just now, and I shall do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, rear camera, front and rear parking sensors, back into drive, Again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out to on this test drive video so far, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk-around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer lots of questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk-around video, this test drive. Hope to see you from you soon. Cheers.